What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Lexus ES350 and we're getting one of the maintenance messages on the dash here. I'm gonna go and show you what it is real quick, but I'm gonna show you how to reset that. So I just started the car up and we are getting oil maintenance required soon. Okay, so to reset that, it's really simple. What we're gonna do is hit this back button here, okay, and that's gonna get us to the information screen here. We're gonna hit the same button again. It's also the menu screen or menu button, and I'll open up the menu on the side here. Now you can go up and down on the steering wheel here and go to different options. We want to be on driver's information 1, and we're going to scroll over to the right. Okay, and keep going over till you get to the gear symbol right here. And once you are on the gear symbol, scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to go into vehicle settings. Okay, hit OK. And right here you have scheduled maintenance you can reset and oil maintenance you can reset. Okay, so we just did an oil change on this car here, so we're going to go to oil maintenance. Dash, you want to reset, okay, and then we go back, and if you want to do scheduled maintenance, it's going to be exactly the same. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and hopefully you come back to this video, and I'll see you again later. Bye.